Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how I take my day makeup to night in just 4 steps. It's super easy and super fun, so keep watching. Video guys, I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about the looks in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.